screw right goes in there. 10 millimeter. A little catch on this. So there we go. On the P-clamp. So that's all we got now is to fire it up. We got to clean up all this stuff off of here and clean up some of the oil over on the side over there. Everything's installed, and then we need to pump up the fuel. I'll show you where the pump is for that, and then we should be able to crank it over. So I'll be right back. Alright, so just to show you that here's the side of the engine, driver's side. Down, way down there, there's a little green cap. So we're going to untwist that cap and we're going to pump, pump, pump. And that's going to prime the air out of the injectors. Here. Okay. You can put your knee right here if you need to.
No,
I'm right knee. And that way you can see down there. Okay. What I've done is I've released it by turning it 90 degrees. So now, this is your fuel prime pump. It's spring loaded. You're gonna have to pump and 90. You have to pump, pump, pump in order to get the fuel up into the fuel rail, and then relock it. Okay. Up because the EGR, when it's cold, it'll open up, it'll give it that big knocking noise. And once it warms up, the EGR closes, it should just smooth right out. But right now I'm going to look for any oil leaks. Oil pressure came up, so everything looks good, she just fired right off. That's how we do injector swap on a Volvo D-13. I hope this was useful.